What's up, everybody? It's your boy Aaron RSX. I'm here with Timmy again, and he is working on his headlight at the moment. His headlight has a little condensation in it, so he's just heating it up and then siliconing it so nothing gets through. And these are for the guys who bought brand new headlights or have this problem. All you have to do is get a heat gun and then heat it up inside. It should clear up the condensation, and after that, silicone all around throughout the headlight and clamp it down together so it'll stay. Make sure to get waterproof silicone, either clear or white or black, whatever you want to choose. That's your preference. Usually people use the clear silicone and then silicone it all around through there, and you should be good. You shouldn't have that problem anymore, but Timmy's having that problem right now, and he should be able to clear it up with the heat gun. And yeah, hopefully this process doesn't take too long. Right now I'm going to be working on the RSX. I bought this thing. I bought the gaskets for the RSX. Let me just open this up. Shout out to Amazon for delaying my gaskets. It was supposed to come yesterday, but here we go. Stainless steel 5-piece exhaust flange gasket, 3-inch, because I have the Mega Power RR. Timmy has the, I think, the Mega Power R, which is 2.75 diameter in tubing, and this one is the RR, which is 3 inches, all throughout the exhaust. So let's open this up. It's fucking hard doing this shit with one hand. And here it is, 5-piece stainless steel 3-inch gaskets. I'm gonna be replacing the gasket from the header to the cat back, and then the resonator to the axle back, and that should be just 2 pieces, I believe. I'm gonna jack the car up, put these on, and hopefully it does sound better. You guys are gonna hear a cold start, so I can't wait to hear that fully with no exhaust leak. And here's Timmy's car, taking off the bumper to get to the headlight. But first, I want to fix something in the sub. It did come off the other day, and it's just hanging loose. It came off. It's just hanging by, I think, 2 screws up here, and I gotta remount it on the box, so hopefully that should fix it. I don't know how it just came off. I guess taking off the screws and then putting it back in the same hole does not work. It'll come off pretty easy, so yeah. And I did get a Christmas wrap, Christmas video coming soon. Let me know what you guys think of the color. And Timmy also got his. I'll leave that for his car. You guys will see it in another video, but I will be wrapping the car this color. It is not the Burberry wrap that I did last year, if you guys seen it before, but it actually has some color to it this year. So yeah, let's get right into mounting the sub onto the box. Before I test out the sub, if it works, I'm gonna pop this in. I forgot to do it in the other video, but it's just pop this on like this, and then just twist it. There you go. And then I should be able to just, there you go. Perfect. So it used to be dangling, but now it's all stable now, so yes sir. guys, so I'm gonna be replacing the upstream O2 sensor, the first one. These are more expensive than the secondary, but I'm gonna replace this. This is the Denso one from AutoZone, and hopefully it should clear my code. So yeah, it's just pretty short, so that's how you know it's the upstream first one. So let's see how the other one looks like. Hopefully it's not hella burnt, but let's go.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message. Now, back to our show.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show you guys the new one, right? See it? Hella clean, right? You know what I'm saying?
Hold on. Let me see. Shit.
Look at it. Yeah, clean, right?
Okay.
And then this is the popcorn tune and two-step aftermath.
Oh! He needs some milk!
Wonder why it's throwing out a code.
That shit is burnt.
If you guys need help taking the clips off, it's this little top clip right here. You just pinch down on top and then pull down. I thought this whole time it was this button right here, but I'm hella dumb, so yeah. If you guys need help, because YouTube people did not know how to tell me what to do on this, so yeah, mostly for Hondas, I believe, this clip and clips like that. I'm not sure about other cars, but the RSX and K20s and K-Series, here you go.
Well, quick update on the headlights. It's cleared majority of the way. It's just this stupid piece right here. I just can't tell. It's like, you can't tell on camera, but there's like a little piece that's like wet still. A different area, like right there. Might be a crack, but no, it's condensation for sure. But I just mounted it over here. Almost done. Gotta take off the headlight bracket, and then we'll select it from there. Welcome back to Lonely RSX Vlogs. You feel me?
Alright, just finished the gaskets and putting the new O2 sensor in. This is what the old gaskets looks like, all burnt and stuff. I only replaced 2, so I have 3 left just in case for the future. And this took way longer than I expected because of the O2 sensor, and I did not know how to unclip the O2 sensor out. And I was trying to find out why one of the clips were unclipped for the secondary O2 sensor, and I guess the clip to clip on to the O2 sensor broke, so I guess it has to stay like that. So let's finally hear it with everything on. Hopefully it sounds better. What you think? Is it gonna sound better or what? More clear? Like yours? Timmy's munching on my chips. God damn it. Those are super fire, by the way. Let's finally hear the car. I just cleared the code on the car, and usually it would pop up after a couple seconds of it just idling, but now it's gone and no more check engine light on the RSX, so I'm super happy, glad that it's got fixed now, and I can finally have no worries about seeing that stupid ass light. It took way longer than expected, so yeah. Now I bought these from Walmart. It's only, I think, about 19 bucks. Don't quote me on that, but for the RSXs, the sizes is the 24 on the driver and the 20 on the passenger. So I'm gonna replace these real quick because these are pretty shit. So I haven't replaced these before, so yeah, it's gonna be, I think, 3 years of this not replacing. So much stuff, terrible condition, and yeah, it should be a lot better. So let's install this. quick update. This is Timmy's headlight at the moment. We're getting it heated up. So the silicone can harden a lot faster than usual. It usually takes like I think 24 hours for it to cure. But we've sealed it around, put clamps on, and hopefully we should be able to put it on in a couple of minutes, if not like an hour or two maybe. But here's what it looks like, sealed up. You guys need this ASAP because without this, it's not gonna seal properly. So yeah, here's a setup, my heat gun, and we got the headlight. Yes. So Timmy just put on his bumper and his headlight. Everything looks good. The silicone looks good. Hopefully it doesn't seep water through. So we're just gonna see in a couple days. Since it's gonna rain in a couple days. RSX is done for today. Timmy's almost done. Since it's Friday, there's always gonna be meat. So we're gonna pull up over there. And then we're going to take some pictures. You guys should see that in a couple of days on my Instagram at DailyRSX. And we'll see you guys when we get there. And there is the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment down below what y'all think of the new vlog. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys for almost 2,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. I've been pumping out these videos for the past couple of days, and it is because of my new setup. Here it is. I have a new PC. It has a Ryzen 7 5800X and 32 gigs of RAM with a RTX 3060. And I am running a dual monitor setup, as you guys can see. This brand new setup has motivated me so much to pump out more videos for you guys because it is so much faster than my old PC. Like, it would always freeze on me and always crash on me. So now that I have a new PC, a much faster PC, I can actually pump out these videos for you guys quickly and edit them so much faster, so much quicker, so much more efficient. And thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This is NRSX signing out. Peace.